Hey guys, welcome to Go Tech. In today's video, we're going to do a part two series on how we can build a successful blog online. And sorry, I took time to release this video. I was a bit sick before, but now I've recovered. And if you have not joined my WhatsApp group, I'll be leaving the link on the description where I'll be sharing the tips on how you can open up a successful blog. So without further ado, let's go straight to the video. So in today's video, you can look at our blog, the one we created last time, and you can see that this theme is not that kind of beautiful. So we're going to change this theme so that we will put a custom theme. So why we'll be putting a custom theme is one, so that our blog will be fast, and the second one is that it is going to look professional. So now we are going to download a premium template, but don't mind, we are not going to pay for it. It's very free. So what I'm going to do is I go over to your browser and type free blogspot theme, blogspot. So download it. So go to this first site that they write a blogger template, and in my last lesson I told you should choose your niche. So your niche will depend on type of team. So like a person that is in a music team will not have it, as in the music niche will not have the same team with the person that is in something parenting. So you come here, you choose the team that this one is news, this one is a mini. So you choose the team that matches. So for this, all this, most of all these things, all of them are optimized. You can monetize it with AdSense and so all of them. So if you click on free blogger templates and come here, let me download one. So let's cancel the ad. And let's wait for it to load. So I've already downloaded one, but see this one that is called Polar. That is one I would recommend for normal blogger. So but I'm not doing it. So you can come and choose any other. You can choose New Press, you can choose this is Texty, but I've already downloaded blog Polaris. So after downloading it, successfully downloading it, so how to download it is that if you come here, you click on this, click on the theme. So click on the theme, then you see where they click buy. No, click on that buy, click on download. So it's going to download automatically. So after downloading it, since I've already downloaded it, and but if you have problem in downloading, you can comment down below. But since I've already downloaded, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to minimize this site, go to my file manager, click on let me look for the name of the theme you download. So what I'm going to do there is that I'm going to go to by directory, hit on search and Polar, and you can see I've downloaded like two. So I click on this one. This one is the XML. But before you get this XML, I want you to go down, look at this thing down, this one that has folder, yellow folder. Click on it. Then so but maybe if you're not your own not agree, just come here. So click on this thing, and then you extract it. But this one I've already extracted my own, so I just want to show you how you can rest it. So that's it. Click on it, and let me look for it again. Sorry. When you click on it, so what we'll be looking at is this one that have XML. So look at it very well, XML. So enlighten very well and move it, copy it from this folder. Maybe you can create a folder for it. You can create a new folder for it, or you can move it to another folder. Let's create a new folder and call it team 2, because I already have another folder called team. So you can create a new folder for it, click on team 2, save it, so you can recognize very well. Then click on that team 2 and paste that team here. Next thing we're going to do is that we are going to go to our blogger dashboard, go to your draft. So if you don't know how to enter your draft, just come to and type blogger .com. When you plug blogger.com, then you log in with the email which you use to create your blog. So that's how you are going to click here. So click on the three arrows on top and click on theme. So before you click on this, click on the three arrow, change your browser to desktop. When you have changed your browser to desktop, then click on customize. If you click on that customize, click on the small arrow and click on select restore, then click on upload. So it will take you straight to your files. Choose your files, and files will take you to your file manager. And let me just check here. Let me select my file manager. Okay, so look for that folder that you put your theme. So in case I put my folder in theme 2, and I'll now select depolarize. So you can see, if you look at this down here, it's right restoring theme. I know it's very small. Down restoring theme. Okay, the right restore theme. Now let's go back to that one, this thing, and let's refresh the page, and let's know how what we got. Wow, you can see now we have another theme, a beautiful theme, a professional one that we can put our social plugin and all these things. So guys, this is where I'll end this video now. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you are going to edit this place, edit all this place, edit especially this side, this home feature documentation. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss out on this video. So today's tutorial, remember I told you, is it so in the next video I'm going to tell you how to edit the layout so that it is going to suit your this thing. And don't forget, I told you I'm going to teach you a special way that you can use your phone to write an article. I know it is going to be stressful using your phone to write an article, but I got your back. I already have a tool which you can use to write your article within 20 minutes, within 10 minutes. So for you to enjoy all this, make sure you subscribe and remain tuned, turn on the notification bell